It is known that chemistry is the study of matter and the properties of matter. In this respect, we should know that what is referred to as matter to the chemists are actually elements, compounds, and materials that are derived thereof, chemical substances, to mention but a few. The important aspect we must address today is to have some little knowledge or some more knowledge about the chemistry around us. For example, did you know that even when you fall in love, there are chemical compounds that are involved? You've heard of hormones, and you have not seen them, but you should know that your body produces hormones. For instance, if you're in love, oxytocin, vasopressin, and endorphin are actually involved, some of the hormones that are involved in love affairs. You should also reflect that when you actually cease that relationship of love, other hormones come into play, which are themselves also chemical compounds and you have a hatred for somebody you've been loving, and I wonder how sincerely such should happen. But you should know that our bodies are producing chemicals, and these chemicals or the hormones are responsible for those kinds of paths. It is important that we assemble to harness or to get much more information about the usefulness of chemistry in our daily life, in what has been organized by Kabale University as a public lecture. On this note, therefore, I invite you to come and share and harvest some of the knowledge that you may be missing. Because sincerely, it is unworthy for somebody to be out there and not knowing how vital the subject chemistry is in our lives and in our society.